My name is Amit Gaud. I study in class 8th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project name is electric circuit. This model shows how electricity flows in a simple electric circuit. A battery is used to main power source to provide the electricity in circuit. The red line shows the positive connection from battery. The black line shows the negative connection completing from battery. The switch is connected to control the flow of current. The switch is on, the circuit becomes complete and work properly. A current flows through. A fan is start rotating and work properly. The switch is off, circuit breaks and they cannot work. The model help us understand how a battery switch and the device work together. Thank you.
My name is Anmol Parmar from class 8. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project is Kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a toy. It is made by 3 mirrors, 1 cylindrical tube, 1 glass plate. Mirror strip was 15 cm long, 4 cm wide. Cylindrical tube was made by cardboard. One end of the tube having a hole in the cardboard disc in the center. It is based on principle of multiple reflection. It make a beautiful pattern.
Good morning everyone, my name is Balram Vishwakarma. I study in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project name is automatic water dispenser. An automatic water dispenser give water without touching it. It work with a sensor that detected our hand and bottle. When the sensor sense the water start flowing automatically, it help save time and water. It is very easy and safe to use. It can run electricity and battery. We can use it at home, school, office and hospital. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye.
Good morning everyone. My name is Gungun Pama. I read in class with my school. I am Sardar Patel Public High Secondary School, Biawra. My project name is water purification. The first layer is cotton, second layer is sand, third layer is charcoal, fourth layer is small stone and big stones. When we put our dirty water in it, we see when dirty water passes from this layer, water become purified. Water is essential for our life. It is used for cooking, it is used for cleaning, it is used for bathing, it is used for washing. Thank you all of you.
My name is Mehak Prajapati. I study in class 6th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public High Secondary School, Biawra.
My name is Vedika Yadav. I reading in class 6th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
Types of triangle. This is the acute triangle. All 3 angles measure less than 90 degrees. This is the scalene triangle. No sides are the same length. This is the equilateral triangle. All 3 sides have the same length.
This is a right angle. One angle more than 90 degrees. This is a isosceles triangle. 2 sides have the same length. This is a obtuse triangle. One angle measure more than 90 degrees. Thank you.
My name is Nandini Tangi. I study in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
My name is Ritika Parmar. I reading in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
My project name is wheel and axis. The wheel and axis is a simple machine. There are 2 parts rotate together.
Pulley is a simple machine. It is one of oldest machine. A pulley has wheel and axle and rope. Pulley has work easier and lift thing.
Thank you. Like and share and subscribe channel.
My name is Keshav Sen and I study in Sardar Patel School from class 8th.
My name is Ganesh Sarang. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. I am studying in class 8. My project is satellite communication. An object revolving around Earth is called satellite. We can also make telephone calls. India's first satellite was Aryabhatti. Satellite was a man-made machine. Nature satellite of our Earth is Moon.
They can transmit signal in any part of the world. Earth station have areas that receive their signal and relay them. In this way, we can see television, mobile and computer and send telegram.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.
My name is Pai Sharma. I read in class with my school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
My name is Umra Khan. I study in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
My name is Gungun Pama. I study in class with my school name is Sardar Patel Public High Secondary School, Biawra. There are two types animals, carnivorous and herbivorous. Carnivorous animals are eat only meat. They have very sharp and pointed teeth. We must protect carnivores to save wildlife. Lion, tiger, cheetah are very. Fox are carnivorous animals.
Herbivorous animal does not eat only plant. They like to eat grass leaves. They don't eat meat.
Animal like cow, goat, elephant, giraffe are herbivorous. Herbivorous animals are very important to balance our nature. They have fat. My name is Sayyid Mora. I read in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My model is Newton's cradle.
My name is Mike Kushwa. I read class 5th. My model is Newton's cradle.
Newton's cradle is a science toy. It is many metal marble in a line. All ball using thin strings. When one ball is pulled back, it gains energy. When the ball is released, it hits the next ball.
The energy moves through the ball. The last ball moves forward. This shows how energy is passed. It works. Newton's third law. Newton's cradle also show conservation of energy.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.
My name is Kuldeep Jatta. I read in class 7th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project air pollution.
My name is Subham Aiva. I did in class 7th. My name is Samar Rawat. I reading in class 7th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
It also affect animal and birds. Planting trees can help as a control pollution.
Air pollution is harmful. It is bad for us. Air pollution has become big problem. We should use public transport, bicycle, and save electricity to keep the air clean. It makes environment dirty. Factory release harm pollute the air, pollute air, harms planting animals and humans. Thank you all of you. Please like and subscribe.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Antima Prajapati. I read in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project is 3 types of soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil light and dry, not good for plant. Black soil, good for agriculture. Cotton, groundnut, wheat grow in black soil. Yellow soil, yellow in color. Plant can be grow. Soil is a natural resource. Soil is a mainly used in farming. Like and subscribe.
My name is Lucky Prajapati. My father name is Om Prakash Prajapati. I read in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public High Secondary School, Biawra. This is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their food.
My name is Arjun Sen. I read in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. This is a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a nature for life on earth. It is a very important. Basically, all living things depend plant for food. It recover chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, minerals, water and sunlight. Thank you. Like and subscribe.
My name is Bhumika Yadav. I study in class 8th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. Here we made a model of Parliament of India. This new Parliament building inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 28th May 2023. Parliamentary building designed by Hasmukh Patel. It is hexagonal in shape. Lok Sabha House of this Parliament contain 888 seats. Rajya Sabha House of this Parliament contain 384 seats. Parliamentary building is law-making building of our country. Our new parliament will be symbol of Indian commitment toward the sustainable environment. Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Morning all of you. My name is Nandajak. I read in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project is types of land. Land are of many life: mountain, plain, plateau, island, forest, etc. Mountain very highest, land more through 1000 meter, forest land with many tree, plant and animals, desert land coated with it very dry, river, nature river is fresh water, lake is smallest water body, very beautiful. Like and subscribe.
My name is Saloni Kushwa. I read in class 8th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. Here we made a model of reflection of light. The diagram show how light bounces back when it strikes on a surface. The incoming beam of light is called incident ray. A straight dot line drawn at a 90 degree to the surface is the normal. The angle between incidence ray and the normal is incidence. After striking the surface, the light bounces as of the reflected ray. The angle between reflected ray and the normal is to reflection. The diagram show the incidence and reflection are equal. This represents the law of reflection. Like and subscribe.
My name is Poonam Kewat. My father name is Bhavan Singh Kewat. I read in class 5th. My project name is hydrocarbon. When you put a drop of petrol on a balloon, it usually bursts almost immediately. The reason is chemical mechanic of the balloon driven, not pressure of heat. Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Good morning everyone. I am Harshita.
I am Neha.
We study in class 8th in Sardar Patel School. We make a project of democracy. Democracy is a type of government of the people, by the people, from the people. India is a democratic country. In democracy, people have to power to choose their leader. Adult citizens of country have right to vote in democracy.
Everyone have equal right in a democratic country in ensure freedom, equality and just for everyone people the supreme power in democracy. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.
Good morning all of you. My name is Harshita Malvi. I reading in class 2nd. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project is Save Earth. Earth is our planet. We live on the earth. It is a round planet. Good morning all of you. My name is Tapti Parma. I study in class 2nd. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My project is Save Earth. The earth is our planet. It is called the blue planet. Save Earth, save life. Thank you all of you all.
My name is Uddu Sharma. I study in class 2nd. My project name is pipe sensor gun. Our eyes help us to see, our ear help us to hear, our nose help us to smell, our tongue help us to taste, our skin help us to feel. Okay, thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ashish and my school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. I read in class 4th. This is a winter season. Winter season is a colder season. People wear woolen clothes coming month of October up to February. This is the summer season. Summer season is a hottest season coming month of March up to June. People enjoy cold drink and ice cream to beat the heat. This is a rainy season. Rainy season is the coming month of June to September, when it rain everything green and fresh. We use umbrella and code in this season. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe. Good morning, all of you. My name is Akansha Vaishkar. I read in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My model is seed germination. Seed germination is the process by which a seed grow into a new plant. It begins when the seed absorbs water. The seed coat becomes soft and breaks open. Enzymes activate and help convert stored food into energy. The radical first root comes out first. Okay, ma'am.
My name is Divyansh Yadav. I read in class 7th. My topic is future transport. Future transport is an important part of human life. We made future transport model working by principle of air. From the use of this type public transport model, our environment should be clean. It can be work in any terrain. It help public association easily. It promote sustainability in our country. Okay, thank you.
Like and subscribe करें.
My name is Anmol Kuzwa. I study in class 2nd. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. Topic water. Water is a very important. Water is our life. There is no life without water. We depend on water. Water helps to grow plant. My name is Priyanshu Kuzwa. I reading in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My working model is multiplication. When we multiply two positive sides, the product will be negative. When we multiply one positive and one negative side, the product will be negative. When we multiply one negative and one positive side, the product will be negative. When we multiply two negative sides, the product will be positive. Okay, like and subscribe. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Prajwal Malviya. My father name is Praveen Malviya. My mother name is Jyoti Malviya. I study in class 4th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. My model is water cycle. Water cycle is the continuous movement of water on earth with steps. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. In evaporation, water turns in vapor due to the sun's heat. Water vapor cools and forms cloud. This is condensation. Heavy clouds bring rain, hail or snow. This is precipitation. Rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, on oceans. Thank you.
My name is Manan Kholia. I study in class 5th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra.
My name is Manashi Khonia. I study in class 6th. My school name is Sardar Patel Public Higher Secondary School, Biawra. We make a project layer of Earth atmosphere. The atmosphere is the mixture of gases that surrounding the Earth.
Our atmosphere contains 5 main layers. The first layer is troposphere,
Where weather pattern occurs and where we live.
the second layer is stratosphere,
Where aircraft fly. Ozone layer present in stratosphere.
the third layer is mesosphere,
Metals burn up in the mesosphere. They center from space.
the fourth layer is thermosphere,
The thermosphere is the layer where spacecraft rockets in.
the fifth layer is exosphere.
The exosphere is the outmost layer of atmosphere. Thank you. Like and subscribe.